In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and find starred messages in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Gmail website. Make sure you're already logged into your account so you can access your inbox. Once you're inside Gmail, look at your inbox where your emails are listed. On the left side of each email, you'll see a star icon. This appears as an outline by default. To mark an email as starred, simply click the star icon and it will turn yellow. This means the email is now starred and easier to find later. If you want to remove the star, just click the yellow star again and it will return to the outline state. And you can also star an email while it's open. Open any message, then look toward the right side near the top of the email, find the star icon, and click it to mark the message as starred. It will turn yellow once applied. If you want to star multiple emails at once, go back to your inbox and select the checkboxes next to the emails you want. Then go to the top toolbar and click the 3 vertical dots for more options. From the drop-down menu, select Add Star, and all selected emails will be starred at the same time. To find all your starred emails in one place, go to the left-hand sidebar and click the starred label. This will show all emails you've marked. Alternatively, you can use the search bar at the top, type as :starred, and press enter to filter your results instantly. You can also customize your stars for better organization. Click the gear icon that's in the top right corner, then select See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll down to the Stars section. From here, drag additional star icons from Not in Use to In Use, then scroll down and click Save Changes. Once enabled, you can click the star icon multiple times on an email to cycle through different colors and symbols. This allows you to organize emails based on priority, category, or workflow. If you're using multiple star types, you can also search for them specifically. For example, type has :blue-star or has :green-check in the search bar to quickly find those emails. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.